Hello, year 10. Just thought I'd show you this one. I know I set this for you was it last week? I can't remember. I think it was last week. It was changing the subject of a formula. It was multi-choice. This is one that most people got wrong. So I just want to go through it with you. You've got the formula up here and you have to make T the subject of the formula. The problem is, of course, that you've got T mentioned twice. That's the problem. So we're going to do some algebraic manipulation and then hopefully see which one of these it's going to be. All right, so here we go. First of all, I'm going to rewrite this, but I'm going to expand this top bracket. Okay. So k equals 2t plus 6 over t minus 3. The next thing I'm going to do is use some algebraic manipulation skills, and I'm going to multiply both sides by t minus 3. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to fit that in there. Alright, so times in both sides by t minus 3. What that's going to do is, of course, it means I can cancel these two out. And the t minus 3 ends up here, next to the multiplying by k. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite that so it looks more like it's proper algebra rather than the mess I've produced. So here we go. So k bracket t minus 3 equals 2t plus 6. Okay, what I'm going to do now is expand this bracket. Okay, so k times tkt subtract 3k equals 2t plus 6. All right. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to somehow get the t's on the same side. I've got k times t there. I've got 2 times t there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2t from both sides. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to subtract 2t there. Still got that. And of course that's going to disappear. That's gone. The 6 is still there. I'm going to put the 3k, I'm going to add 3k to both sides to make that disappear, but it will appear over there. So I've got kt minus 2t equals 6 plus 3k. Okay, right, now what can I do? I can do. Here we go. I can take a factor of t, a common factor of t. From this part here. So k minus 2 in the bracket, close your bracket, equals, and before I start writing out this side again, I'm just looking here, I've got a common factor. I've got a common factor 3. So I'm going to use that common factor of 3. 3 times 2 plus k. All right. The only thing I need to do now is divide, because I want the t on its own, obviously. So I'm going to divide both sides by k minus 2. So how is that going to look? Well, something like that. And of course these two will just cancel each other out. So I'm going to have t equals 3 lots of 2 plus k all over k minus 2. Okay, so that's my, that looks like my final answer. Which of these would it be? No, Oh no, because the brackets are missing. Nope, that's got k plus 2 on the bottom. Ah, that one. You might think not because it's k plus 2, but well, think about it. We can write it the other way around, can't we? K plus 2 is 2 plus k, so it is the same. So it is, or it was D.